Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very useful trick on how to turn off all notifications in the Zoom app. This is really helpful if you get too many alerts, meeting reminders, or messages and want a more peaceful and distraction-free experience. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store on your device and search for Zoom in the search bar. Make sure your Zoom app is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, simply tap on it and wait for the installation to complete. Keeping your app updated is important, because settings and features may change in newer versions. Once your app is updated, open the Zoom app. After opening it, you will see the main screen. Now go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open your account menu. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside this section, scroll down and look for Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it, and you will see different notification options such as meeting reminders, chat messages, and other alerts. Now simply turn off all the notifications you don't want. You can disable everything depending on your preference. Once you do this, Zoom will no longer send you unnecessary notifications, and you will have a much more peaceful and distraction-free experience while using the app. And that's it. You have successfully turned off all notifications in Zoom.